Hi, my name is Tate, and I'm going to do another YouTube video. This one, well, right here, you can see all the YouTube videos I did. 1, 2, 3. Try to do this one. Try to do that one. I did that one. Here we go. Let's create new. In this one today. Wait. Yeah. Tree. What? Oh. I see. It's going to be called Tree Trap. And I'll show you how to make a tree trap. So it's really easy. Let's go. Okay, stop that. Yeah, there we go. This is how to make a tree trap. Yep, this is gonna have to be to make a tree trap. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this, you're gonna need TNT. I mean creepers. I know, you're gonna have to pick a tree. There can't be any water nearby. Okay? Because to make a tree trap, it's very, very easy. You gotta just do this. You have to okay, so you're gonna need grass. You're gonna need grass to make this. Get a grass block. See, I use this grass block. And you gotta go around like this. And then you gotta use the B. Okay. And then you gotta need a creeper. You're gonna need a creeper. We're gonna need creeper. Now, to make it a B, can actually make it a little deeper. But this is how you're gonna make it the tree trap. Gotta spawn a bunch of creepers on your tree. Once somebody goes to survival, you know what's gonna happen. We're gonna cover the That went wrong. Okay, so now I gotta do I need set aim O 0. Set game mode to 0. But I guess this doesn't work.
Hello?
If there was thunder here, boom on the person.
And I would have if I had known.
Okay. You know this it for the TNT trap. Really different.
Yes, I have! God bless you, and would you like a bag of chips? And would you like
Or
a
you
bag
could
of
do
chips?
it like
Yes,
that
I
way.
have.
This way.
Oh my god, I'm like, what? What have I done now?
Oh no, I did the creeper. Yep. One creeper sits off a bunch of other creepers.
Well, if I don't know if this company is going to call to confirm.
Let's dig straight down. Let's see what will happen to us. Let's see what's gonna happen if we dig straight down.
They're gonna say no.
Oh, we ended up with water.
FYI.
Oh, look at this.
Yes. You betcha.
Emerald ore. Look at that.
She's a licensing
Emerald
What?
ore. It has been found. If you dig straight down, you will find this ore called emerald ore. Everybody knows what that is. Emeralds. It drops emeralds. So, you should probably dig down to find this precious ore called emerald ore. So, dig straight down.
Is that
Nope.
even real? Do you think? 4 to 5, and there's 2 here at Rolla. 2 years at Rolla, and
Emerald ore.
wait a minute, January 2017. When did she work?
You gotta put that back.
Oh, 2017.
But that's where it was.
But what kind of flies? Don't put it out there like that. Okay.
There, this.
Okay. Alright. Alright, bye.
I'm gonna fill this with emerald ore. Make an emerald ore area.
I think this maybe hit the yes, maybe a reject.
This is not a trap, but it's a good idea. Probably make your friends happy.
Yes.
Let's fill this trap up,
Yes.
just in case your mom or dad says emeralds. You play Minecraft and see that. Okay.
Gotcha. Thank you. Yeah, because they've already been rejected. Alright, bye.
So, you have to dig really deep to find this emerald ore. I have no idea how you find it, but play on a little mining game. Alright, so there's 2 layers of emerald ore. We need a diamond ore. Now we're gonna put just a few layers of diamond ore. Oopsie. Gotta make this perfectly. I'm gonna make it 2 diamond ore. Which is right here. So there's just a few layers of diamond ore. Do 4 layers. What you can do is it's called a treasure trap. Just kidding, it's actually not a trap, but this is some way to trick your friends to get down here. Mining a bunch of stone and stuff. You're gonna say, dig straight down in an area. And then in this area. And when you go to the top, there's obsidian. Right here.
What?
You have to dig straight down.
Well, I don't know.
Dirt.
Probably 8. Probably it'll be tiny, but probably the only way you'll get them all on there.
I guess this is what it looks like. We're gonna do iron.
It's up to you.
Iron ore, we're gonna need that. We're gonna need this. Watch this. Be the exit. Now we're gonna put the iron ore right here. As iron ore is way more rare than gold ore. No, actually gold ore is. But since iron ore is rarely more found, it's like way more special. But you could find it in usual places. We're gonna do that. And then we're gonna do gold. We're gonna do gold. Now, okay, coal. So you're gonna need coal also. You're also gonna need coal. So I know my mom's not gonna like this because they didn't really talk about what you need. But you do the rest coal. Because you want your friends to be surprised how they got down here. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, you're supposed to fill this whole thing now up with just some of this stuff. If you want, you could use your stone. But I'm using this because it's kind of close to stone.